Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on US Highway 61, beginning in Pike County, Missouri, approximately 79 miles north of St. Louis. Before we get any further into the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Only 19.2% of our regular viewers are subscribed, and increasing that number will prompt the YouTube recommended videos algorithm to promote more of our videos and give us more exposure. And be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, as every interaction helps. We're on a 4-lane expressway called the Avenue of the Saints, which runs all the way from St. Paul, Minnesota to St. Louis, Missouri. We're finally mostly out of the rain. We'll see some more sprinkles, but the worst of the rain is over now. We won't see any blue skies for a while, but at least the windshield wipers are off. Here we see a junction with another major U.S. highway, US 54, and the big green sign gives control cities of Louisiana and Mexico, but not the Louisiana or Mexico that most people think of. Louisiana is a small Missouri town about 8 miles to the east on the Mississippi River, and Mexico is to the west on US 54 about 45 miles away. We enter the city of Bowling Green, the county seat of Pike County. The city was settled in 1819 by migrants from Kentucky and Virginia and was named after Bowling Green, Kentucky. Bowling Green had an estimated population of 5,585 as of 2019. US 61 bypasses the city to the east, with an older alignment of the highway passing right through the middle of town as US 61 business. Here we passed through the unincorporated community of Cyrene. A post office called Cyrene was established in 1879 and remained in operation until 1964. The community was named after Cyrene, Libya, a place mentioned in the Bible. This exit leads to the village of Eolia, which lies just to the east of US 61. Eolia was platted in 1881 along the railroad line. The community was named for Aeolus, the ruler of winds in Greek mythology. A post office called Eolia has been in operation since 1881. The village had a population of 522 at the 2010 census. We enter Lincoln County as well as the St. Louis metropolitan area. The county was founded December 14, 1818, and named for Major General Benjamin Lincoln of the American Revolutionary War. As of the 2020 census, Lincoln County had a population of 59,574. We conclude today's video here, approximately 54 miles north of St. Louis. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.